going to discuss about skull bones. So basically skull consists of two parts. First is the cranium and second is facial skeleton. Cranium, which is also known as the neurocranium, is a brain protected case. Means it protects our brain. It's a brain case. So top of is also known as the vault or highest point of the bar is called buttocks. So mainly neurocranium is consist of two parts. First is membranous part and second is chondrocranium part. Membranous part consists of flat bones which surround the brain, and chondrocranium consists of base of skull, bones which form the base of skull. So our neurocranium consists mainly of 8 bones. 8 bones, like first of all is frontal bone. So guys, this is a frontal bone. 2 parietal bone. These 2 parietal bone meet at a suture, interparietal suture, or you can say sagittal suture. And these 2 parietal bones meet with frontal bone at this suture, that is the coronal suture. And then occipital bone. See, here is the occipital bone. I can show you. This is occipital bone, and this occipital bone meets with parietal bones at lambdoid suture. Then we have sphenoid bone. So this is the sphenoid bone which make a part in the cranial vault. And last one is ethmoid bone. This is ethmoid bone. So these 8 bones form the neurocranium. Then 14 bones make facial skeleton, in which 2 bones are single, that is the mandible. This is the mandible and bomber. So this is the bomber. Then as all bones of facial skeleton are paired, like maxillary bones. These are the maxillary. One maxillary, this is second. Paired maxillary bone, paired zygomatic bone, paired nasal bone, this is nasal bone, and paired lacrimal bones, this is lacrimal. Then paired inferior nasal concha. So these are the 14 facial bones, in which 2 bones are single. First is mandible, second is bomber. Others are paired, like 2 maxillary, 2 nasal, 2 inferior nasal concha, 2 lacrimal, 2 zygomatic, and 2 palatine bones. Here is I show you palatine bones. These are also paired bones. So these are our cranium or skull, which consists of 2 parts. First is cranial vault or neurocranium. Second is facial skeleton. So neurocranium, which protect our brain, and facial skeleton makes the sockets for eye, socket for nose, and for oral cavity also made by the facial skeleton. So these are the bones which we fully explain in our next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.